Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are at the body shop, and we're going to be continuing the teardown of the Ford Convertible. When you start tearing down a project, you're going to find a lot of little things that might not make you so happy. And for instance, one of those things would be this door hinge. Now, I don't know how well you can see that. But it is, the weld is broke here, which is supposed to go there. Now this bracket is supposed to be part of the door itself. They have a sheetrock anchor here for a screw. They've got a bunch of boogered up welding there, and it's supposed to look a lot like that. You see how that bracket stays attached. You can see here, even this screw's missing, different kinds of screws, bolts. So this is going to be interesting. But what we're going to do today is we're going to get this dash stripped down. We're going to get all the windshield trim out. We're going to get the wipers off. We're going to get all this stuff up here off. We're going to get the glass out. We're going to get the mirrors off. We are going to hopefully try to get the dash out as well. So without further ado, let's get started. cannot express how important it is to put your screws and nuts and bolts together with what they need to go with, or label them in a little container or Ziploc bags or something. Even if it's something you know you're going to be replacing, you still want to have a good reference, and you want to be able to know where stuff goes. You don't want to end up with a box of leftover parts when the vehicle's done and going, where did this go? Boys at Pepsi, I'm waiting for your call. Alright, we got the dash out. Now we're going to try to get the glass out of here, frame and all that. I've never done any of this, so you're going to learn with me. Okay, so I just unbolted the cowl, pulled that out. This little deal goes on the hood here, and it would open and close to allow air into the vehicle. And we gotta have that out to paint, so that came out relatively easy. Now there's just a little screen in there. We gotta get that part out and on to the next. I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but the screws to get that screen off are covered by a bunch of other stuff, so I'm gonna hold off until we get further in depth into the teardown. I'm just spending my day off here taking care of this because I enjoy it, and I only have the knowledge to get so far, so I'm gonna be smart and try to figure that out at another point once we get the linkage out. I have to get these little nubs here for the wiper arms off, but there's a little chain kind of set up on the linkage, and it won't allow me to take that off just yet. So once I get that section out, I'll be able to get to those screws a little better. But we made some really good progress today. We've got the dash out, we got the glass out, we got the cowl out, and to be honest, that's about what I wanted to get done today. I wanted to really make sure that that stuff was good and out of there. And plus, I just really enjoy working on this stuff, so I'm learning a lot. I'm having some fun doing it. And remember, knowledge is power. I can't ever take that away from you. Learn what you can. But yeah, pretty satisfied with everything. And I'm just going to tidy up a few things here, put some tools away, and call it a day. So that's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you again for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so, because you're not going to want to miss the finishing of this vehicle. This is going to be a pretty wild build project, and I am super excited to share it with you. So please go ahead and hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video appears. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.